Do it together. Do it together.
Ready?
John, this is your fucking dance, man. Your weirdly shaped body was made for this.
Mine's more sophisticated, okay?
Hey, Darcy.
Y'all not shake our heads and do the little thing after that. That's how you do it. Can I narrate? And then see, oh wow, lesbian.
Is this
slowly going to a flame? They do that mating ritual.
Wait. Is this the lesbian mating dance?
They don't care, Caroline. You fucking know. Lesbian mating ritual begins.
The lesbian shows her dance moves to attract a potential mate. The mate is unimpressed.
No.
She must step up her dance move.